In this video, I am going to show you how we can configure roaming profile in Windows Server 2008. So before you start this practical, make sure you have Active Directory and DHCP server already installed, and your client machines are already joined the domain. That's I have two machines and both are joined to the domain. And now let's begin the roaming profile part. So first of all, what is roaming profile? Roaming profile lets you, save your user profile data to server, and if you want to log in to any machine, you will get your data. So we will see how it happens. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open your Active Directory user and computers. And here I will make one user in the name of Tarun. Username will be Tarun, and I will set a default password. And now this user, if the user log on to any client machine, so he will have a local profile. But what we want is to give him a roaming profile. So to store the roaming profile, we need to create a folder in the root of our drive, that is C drive. And here you can see the profiles folder. So you have to make a profiles folder and share this folder. Click on permission and give domain user full rights, full control, and remove the everyone permission because I've already shared. There is no permission other than domain user. Only domain user can access this profile. You can see one profile here, test.v2, because test was the username and v2 is the profile extension that was introduced in Vista that differentiate between differentiate between profiles created in earlier version and in Windows Vista and Windows 7 onwards. The .v2 is due to this. So now profile folder has been created. We have to give the profile path here. So right click this user and go to profile section. Here you have to give the profile path. So profile path consists of your server name. I have already configured one profile. So I will copy from there. So it it is like this double backward slash and then your server name, then your folder name, and then the username. So I will copy as it is. And now I am going to configure the profile of this user. So I have to give here only the username, Tarun. Click on apply, click on OK. So now the roaming profile has been configured. Now we will see whether we can log in from the client machine. So click on switch user, other user. Here log in with the default password and username will be Tarun. So in this Windows server, we will see here one profile You will see here in the profiles that is tarun.v2. It's mean this is a roaming profile. We can further check from here also. Go to my computer and click on properties and click on advanced system settings. Type here the administrator password of Windows Server and click on settings. And here you can see domain name slash my name and type is roaming profile. So now if the user want to create any file on his desktop, so after logging off, this profile will be saved to the roaming profile folder which I have created on the Windows server. And if I log off from there and I want to log in from another machine, then same document will be there because desktop folder is in user folder. User folder consists of many things. Like your downloads, your documents, your settings, your is and any other documents you have made, your music, picture, videos. These are the document which is stored in user folder. So now I will log off from here. And here you can see my file has been modified, and this is the timestamp 1219. And if I want to log in from this machine, that is a member server, I have to switch user. So my profile will be copied from the server to this machine, and the same setting will be applied. You will see my new document will be on the desktop as soon as we log in. So this is a trial version. Please bear with me. So as you can see, a new text document is there and recycle bin is there. So in this way, roaming profile works. Once I log off from this machine, my profile will be copied to the server. All the changes I have made in this machine will be copied to server. Next time I log in from any machine in my organization, the same changes will be there. And one disadvantage of this roaming profile is whenever you log in from any machine, the data will be copied from the server. That means it will create a lot of traffic. So make sure you understand this complication of roaming profile. And that's it from my side. Thanks for watching.